Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check whether you have Assioma Pro RL-2 or RL-1, RL up, what's the difference, and where is the serial number. Okay, so let's start from the answer. The answer is located on the box of your pedals, so you can check your exact model right here. So in my case, it's Pro RL-1. This info is located on the label on the back side of the box. So now we also have the serial number in the same place along with the connection ID. So now RL1 basically means that you only have one sensor on one pedal. By default, this is the left one, which you can see right here in front of you. Then RL2 would have two different two sensors, so one sensor on each pedal, and RL up is an upgrade kit. Besides, you might also have RS, which is Shimano SPD SL, or MX, which is SPD off-road. And that's pretty much the answer to this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.